Here we are, guys. We got the Vitamix. SFH is in the house, all over. Boom, logoed out. And we're going with the Protein Pumpkin Prestige. It's gonna be sick, so stick around and we'll be right back. Okay, we'll crack open the blender here, get a little ice going. So about that, a couple healthy scoops. Pure pumpkin. Let's go with half of the can, which is 15 ounces. Yeah, so it's about a cup of pure pumpkin puree. Boom. Speaking of pure, this is our coconut, SFH coconut fuel. Get that in there, and then we'll just use water as needed. Okay, looking good, but we got a little pumpkin sticking to the side. There we go. Boom. Lid back on. Okay. There we have it. Let's pour it in here, and then we're gonna leave a little space. I'd say about there. At the top. Get one nice scoop of homemade coconut ice cream. Check out the recipe on the site. The only thing I can think of when I see this, only word that comes to mind when I look at this, prestigious. All right, guys, we've been rocking the SFH. My buddy Matt A. Porta is the man, so support these guys. Go over here to the right side. Click on the SFH link and order some of this stuff up, and then get out there and give this a go. But when you're not using SFH, keep it paleo.